friends, today I am going to show you how to change Kia Sorento 2015 inner side tail light. So this is 2015 Sorento SX V6 and you can see here the inner tail light has been broken. So we need to order a new one. So I ordered it and I got it in $85 approximately. So it's a right hand side, so same you can order for left hand side if needed. So let's start to replace it. So to replace this tail light, all the nut bolts are inside the trunk. So first you need to open the trunk. Okay, this is making noise, so you can use WD-40. So you can see here there is one nut bolt here, the one nut bolt is here. There's one extra nut bolt which you can see it's inside this. I'll show you how to open that, but let's first start with this one. So to open this nut bolts, this one, so I'm using 7 by this one. Okay, you can get it from like Bianca or Dollarama. So I got it from Bianca, and this is 7 by 16 number, the plug I'm using for it to remove it. So just use it to open. It's not that tight, so it's easy to open. You can see it. Not to spend a lots of time or too much tightness. If it is too much tight, then you can apply WD-40 over there first, and then you can use. Mine one is good, even though I'm replacing it first time from when I took the car. So I'm just opening this one as well. Okay, after this, the next part is to open this plug. So to open this one, what I'm gonna do is I am gonna replace this one. So I have option to do that. So I'm gonna replace this one with the normal screwdriver. You can use any normal screwdriver for it. Okay, so I have a replacement option, so I am just putting it in here. So you can see here, this is a normal screwdriver. Now to open it, just put it and pull it. I dropped it just to show the video. So you can see here, now we have the hole over there. Okay, now what you can do is there is one screw. I maybe need to start the torch. Let me start it. You can see there is one here. There is one nut actually here, so you can open that with the same bolt which you used earlier. Okay, so once you open that nut as well, so there are only 3 nuts. This is get loose. What you can do is just pull it outside. Okay, just pull it outside, and that's it. And here you can see there are plugs which you can see, so it's easy to remove. It's not difficult, hard. Only 3 nuts. One is here, which we saw by opening the cap, and these 2 are by opening. Just open the trunk and it will get removed easily. Once you open it, you can see this kind of connections. So these are already 2 connected with each other. You don't need to remove this one. You just need to remove this one, and to remove this, it's a easy process. I will just show you. You can see I have ordered this one on right side, a new one. This is also have the same plug in it. Now the next is again the same. You just have to pull this one and plug it in like this. It's more easy. Just push it. That's it. And if once you hear the click song, all done. You're good to go. Once do that, I'm just removing the plastic, and then it's just turn it around and just match the holes. First is this one, the left corner one, just match that one, first one, and then just match this one. If you're not able to match here like this, just open the trunk again and match it. I'll just show you that one. Here you can see that I have fixed both the side. Now let's start to fix the screw. I'm just using the same nut bolt. Just put it back here, just press from upside so that it will be fixed properly. So just push it, use the same screws, just turn. Okay, just press it again, turn. Okay, the next screw, then again let's move on to the next screw, is this one. So this is the final look. It got fit seamlessly around. So thank you so much for watching this. Let me know if you need any other videos for Sorento fixing. Thank you.